If you are coming to Bill4Time from a new system and want to track your starting balances, this tutorial will walk you through that process. First, make sure to add your clients and projects in the system. Once this is completed, you can now add in your starting balances. Open a new time entry and fill in your client, project, activity, and enter a description like previous balance. Change the date back to a prior month before coming into the program. So for this example, these were my balances as of August 31st. Then change the entry type from hourly work to flat fee work. No amount of time is needed. Then enter in the balance the client owed as of that date. Once you are finished, click Save and Duplicate. Doing this will keep most of the information filled in that you need. Then just change the client, project, and flat fee amount. Do the same process for each client that had a prior balance. Once you've completed this, you can now invoice these entries. The reason you want to invoice these items is so the next time you create an invoice in the system, it will recognize this as a prior balance, and so once payments are received, you can apply it to those invoices as if the time was originally invoiced in the software. Go to Invoicing, Create Invoice. You can make your start date, billing through date, and invoice date all the same as the date you used for entering the prior balance entries. Then choose all the clients in the list and enter in a description, then click Save. Here, you can check the boxes next to all the invoices and click Finalize. This will then finalize them in the system and you have completed the process of entering your starting balances. You can now go through to add your actual time in the system. Then, when you make a new invoice, this prior balance will reflect properly. Let's say the client had a prior credit. You can enter this in by going into Accounting and clicking on Balance Adjustment. Here, you can choose your client, enter in the amount, again backdate the date, and change the type from debit to credit. You can enter in a note here and click Save. This will then allow you to apply it to an invoice later on. Thank you for watching the Bill4Time Starting Balances tutorial. Continue watching for more tutorials.